Hi guys, welcome back to Isaac Magic Trading Community. I just got a message from someone about an interesting setup about AUS200. Okay, so before I will do the AUS200, I'll take you a little ride around Pound Card. Okay, Pound Card. If you follow me on Isaac Magic at Trading View, Isaac Magic or Isaac 886 is there. Just follow us in Trading View. You see most of the hot setups. Follow us in the Telegram. We're gonna get the setup. Okay, so card here, Pound Card is doing this pattern, and it's gonna give us the bull as you want maybe tomorrow before we get the downside. Okay, so keep your eyes on that. On this section, it's ranging here. It's very interesting setup. This is 15 minutes time frame. We are selling towards the low here, and then we're gonna buy up here. Then we sell again. Okay. So this is a nice impulse, correction, and another impulse. All right. I just give you a little info about this. So now we go straight to AUS200. And we see the AUS200 is very interesting. I've been observing this for some time. And now is the time for us to take a sell. It's a sell now setup. Okay, all this is the B wave. All this is doing B wave. It's a correction. This is your A, this is your B, and this is your C. This is making the same pattern. The same pattern here. It did here and it did here. Okay, we done here, we have done here. We are doing this and we are here. Now we are looking for the downside here, correction and this side. Then we finish and go. Okay, so if you are not in, you're gonna take a sell now, put your stop loss 20 pips away from, you can see here, and you are selling towards this level. Actually, you can even see that we call it blade pattern, which you see a razor blade. That's what I call it, blade pattern. And let's see, there's a lot of interesting setups coming. And I mean, DAX, you can look for a sell on DAX. DAX is, for me, I'm looking for a sell on DAX, but it's not ready at the moment, but look for sell setup. If you are not in, you can let it crawl up a bit. I will update you. Follow me, like I said, follow me on Trading View at FIB 886 or Isaac Magic. Just check it to my Telegram group. The link is there. Click on it and follow me, and I'm gonna try to update it for you as soon as possible. Okay. So have a wonderful day. Take care. Let me update you a little bit about silver. Silver, oil or silver. Darren, which one do you want? Oil or silver? Oil. Oil. Okay. Someone say oil. So now we are in the oil trade now. We are looking for a buy. I put a buy here now. We might have break even. So we are waiting for correction. Here is amazing correction here to upside. So we're gonna wait for the correction and then we are going. Okay. The oil setup, I'm only looking for buyers. Just keep your eyes on the buyers of oil. This is my personal setup. You can have a look at it. And then it's been posted on the Telegram group, on the Trading View followers. Follow us, like it, share it, and then invite your friends to join the Telegram. Okay, have a wonderful day. And then anything, send me a direct message. Take care. Bye.